What's up, guys? It's Jordan from Monster Motoring. Back again after a long time. I haven't released a real life video in a long time. We have some friends here. Well, a friend. Only one guy doing work. Don't forget him.
I'm not a friend. Yeah. he just kidnapped me. I don't know what's going on. He put me in the back. He put me in the bed of that Honda, whatever you want to call it. And he's like, I'm wearing blue, the car's blue. I'm like, all right, whatever.
You guys don't actually know. I have a K truck. You guys will see that later. We're working on Project Phil's motor right there, which is oddly leaning down at like a 30 degree angle, right? That's kind of...
That's OSHA certified. As a verified OSHA impersonator.
We're
good.
So we're finally putting rods and pistons inside this motor. Got all the rods there. We showed them before a long time ago, but we're finally cracking off the caps and putting them inside. So let's get started.
Alrighty. So we got size 11 millimeter 12-sided. Just, they're not even like really tight or nothing, but you know, it's very cold today. It's like 12 degrees outside, I think, without a wind chill. So everything's going to be a little bit tighter. Tolerances are going to change, but we figure it's been a long time since any work's been done. So let's get some work done.
Yeah, it's been about like a month and a half since our last video, like real video of all of this, and it's been a long time. So,
ooh, these are ARP, my man.
Yep,
that's
ARP
cool.
2000.
Why do we have the...
Oh, those are old, bro. It's 2022. Oh my God, it's 2022. Dude, 2020 was a long time.
Yes, it was.
Just I don't know if that'll be good or bad. Oh, it's working. Yep. There's an earthquake in your church.
It's earthquake in New Jersey.
No. Man strength? Nope, not enough. Did I damage anything? Nah, we're good.
That'd be something else.
Yep. Hey man, I'm just some bum who got some coffee. I don't got money for ARP.
Got some coffee.
I just got kidnapped, but I don't got that. I can't insure these ARP stuff. Right now, somebody's like on their computer watching this, going, "Hit it with your purse."
I know. I could just see the YouTube comments already. It's like, you're supposed to do it in a vise with a Toyota certified hammer.
How do you get so lucky? You get lucky with these cars and you find hobos who know how to build engines. What's going on? Part of me's starting to think that you guys are joking. You guys are lying because it's show business. Now, I think my favorite part about this is we don't have the tools to verify clearances. So
verify it when we got the turbo in there and it's, you know.
well, it's I think that's a mechanical verification. I think that's what they call it, right?
If it works, it works.
Yeah, exactly. It's one of those.
The Lexus here was $900 running and driving, with 222,000 miles on it.
Oh, it just broke in.
So yeah, just what I'm saying. All right, guys. So this is the new car. This is the Lexus IS 300, as I said before. It is a 2001, and let me just say, this thing drives like an absolute dream. I've never experienced. I mean, don't look at that. That's gonna be fixed. Don't look at that either. The only problem is it was actually breaking in because that oil leaks from everywhere. So.
Well, you know what they say: if it's leaking oil, it's got oil.
Oh God! It was a completely different color underneath there, and it had at least like, what was it, 2 inches thick of grime. After, yeah.
Isn't that Elon Musk's girlfriend?
Right? Oh my God!
I'm gonna go put some of the lube. This is assembly lube.
Assembly lube.
Man, it's just like straight up like industrial glue. Just gotta be careful.
We're not taking it back out.
Oh God!
Alrighty, now I'm just gonna go ahead and.
Oh, you have to put it all around too?
Yeah, you should put on the skirts and everything.
No. Isn't it gonna get on the compressor though?
It's a ring compressor.
Well, yeah, well, because and then it makes it slide down easy.
You guys want some merch, pop-ups?
Oh my
right
God.
there.
That's right, baby.
Another one right there. He
Wink,
has it on the side.
wink, wink.
They said
Pop-ups right here.
Yeah. Cavity here. And let me just make sure I have everything clocked
Verify the
correctly.
rings, yeah.
Okay, clocked. Boom. All right, we're in business.
Cool.
All right, so it's this way. Let's put this boy over. Swing that.
Is the whole point of the ring compressor is to compress the rings, to put it inside the piston. So, you know,
Let's tighten her up.
let's tighten it up. So I gotta push this here. I need you to push back.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, you got it.
This looks like a commercial for firm grip gloves.
Oop, stop. That's no.
It's a big day.
Okay, we're there. Let's get that hammer over there.
It's coming up on this side a little bit.
All right, hold on a second.
Yep.
Check underneath, see if I'm hitting anything.
What was that?
Oh, you know what? That's what happened.
Yep.
It didn't compress at the bottom. It's in there?
Yep.
They like swimwear. You always want to put lube on here because it's going to take a while for the oil to reach the journals, and you don't want the rods spinning on the crank, just bare metal, until enough oil gets through, because you're going to end up getting metal shavings immediately, and then all the work and money you spent putting into this just goes kaput.
Yep.
You know? Now, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of people that are going to be like, why are you spreading it with your fingers? And that's not the way it's supposed to be. Well, if you haven't, if you've forgotten, I was kidnapped, and I'm just a hobo who knows how to work on cars. I don't know why I'm doing this. Hitting something?
I don't think so.
So we got to remove these in order to unlock the magic of the circle of the piston. So basically, this is the world's first crystal-powered 2J, and so basically, things take time. So we've kept these pistons here. We're on a cold day because that is really good for the distribution of energy. So it concentrates the energy. That's what the cold does. It brings it together. And so we're just taking a couple of things apart. We got to lubricate it for the ease of transfer of energy. And these are our bores of solitude over here. It's emits happiness and positivity and good luck. So we're almost halfway done. So it's really great. Jordan is putting it in which vehicle was it again? The BMW.
Yeah, the BMW.
He's putting in the BMW, and we're calling it. I know Jordan wanted to tell everybody this, but in a monster motoring first, it's going to be called Crystal Power, and
not meth though.
no, well. You promised.
So guys,
you know what your core is? When you're hanging out with your friends, your little brother comes through, whatever. That's what your core is, and I know that because I am a little brother.
Jeez. So guys, whoever's the fan of Project Phil, if you see it blow up, it's your core small.
Yeah, come on. Send it.
Language.
Yep. So that has to be cut out.
You know what you got to put a dolphin in front of his mouth.
I'm taking that sound clip.
Alright, clocked.
So guys, you always want to watch the piston rings and make sure they're in the right direction before you put it on. You don't want them going straight up because then you'll have no compression. So we're hitting it inside of the cylinder bore right now in order to seat it inside of there. Remember, the piston ring compressor is to compress the piston ring so it can get inside of the engine safely.
I'll rotate the crank.
What?
Back towards you. Now, one thing I love about stuff like this is you could just do it.
Yep.
You just want to do it, you just do it.
Yep.
You don't have to start with a 2J. You could just get any old engine, see if you get it to work, and
Yep.
it's fun, man.
Can we just run the car on 3 cylinders?
You can.
Can we try it on yours first though?
Why not?
I'll put a nitrous bottle.
For what?
A 50 shot.
For what?
For fun.
For fun.
For fun in a BMW? Is anything fun in a BMW?
No, nothing is fun. Nothing is fun in BMW. The Germans made BMWs as a punishment for World War II.
Absolutely. You see how much work I had to do in my 2002? For
Dude.
6 months.
Dude, I saw the original engine that's in that Beamer out there, and I'm just nah, that's Can I say something about the Z3?
Yeah, go ahead.
It reminds me of the Z3. The Z3 gives me nightmares. It's just night terrors.
This thing is more complicated. We were trying to pull out this motor at literally any cost and it wouldn't come out.
That one?
Yeah.
Did you try fire?
Yes. We had to cut the tire out in half with a plasma cutter.
That's awesome. So we haven't torqued everything down. We're just getting everything snug first. Then we're gonna flip her over, get everything torqued down. Pretty cool. Honestly, for me personally, as a kid, I've always, you know, Fast and the Furious and 2Js, and here I am putting, you know, being part of this 2J build for the first time. It's great. You know, I ended up a hobo, but here I am, still doing 2J. You're always going to want to make sure everything is kind of snug evenly. Just a reminder for everyone, it's not a race. Everyone's like, oh, if you do it faster, you're better. Nope. 45 foot-pounds for whoever's wondering.
Yes, sir.
And that's manufacturer specifications. In case anyone wants to complain about yielding it. Someone's going to be like, I've been doing this for 38 years. It's like, isn't that longer than Super's been out? I don't care what any manufacturers say.
Yep.
All right, and that's it.
That's the last one.
All right.
You now have a short block.
Boom.
$10,000 right there.
Isn't that crazy, man? Oh boy.
All right.
So can you take it back to the gas station you kidnapped me from?
Back to the